Good afternoon, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It is Thursday, June 29th, 2023, 4:42 p.m. Now this is an Allen and Roth ceiling fan, two-blade model, as you can see. This was actually, I'm going to kick it up to speed. I have it hitched up to an EnviroFan control because the remote broke, which is I was able to get it from a friend of mine I know from the Vintage Car Group. Was kind enough to offer it to me, and the remote was inoperable, so or they lost the remote or something. I can't remember, but anyway, I removed the remote transmitter and connected the positive and negative wires directly to the ceiling, to the house current, and take it down to speed 2 now. And I only have a fan switch, so I'll test the light at a later date because there's no switch on the fan for the light. Sometime I'll get my hands on a household fan switch that has a light, but this one's just for industrials. And now the spin down. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel called the Fan Cave. Keep watching, stay tuned for more fan videos. Thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.